What are the imp methods of the object class? The object class is the superclass of all Java classes. Some important methods are: toString returns string representation of an object. Equals object obj compares two objects for equality. Hashcode returns hash value of the object. getClass returns runtime class of the object. Clone creates a copy of the object. Wait makes current thread wait. Notify wakes up one waiting thread. Notifile wakes up all waiting threads. Finalize called before object is garbage collected, deprecated. What is the difference between clone and clonable? Clone is a method used to create a copy of an object, whereas clonable is a marker interface that must be implemented to allow the cloning process. Otherwise, a clone not supported exception is thrown. What are the major features introduced in Java 17? Sealed classes restrict which classes can extend or implement them. Improve security and control over inheritance. Sealed class shape permits circle, rectangle, pattern matching for switch. Enhances switch statements with type patterns. Reduces the need for multiple if-else. Records used to create immutable data classes easily. Record student int id. String name text blocks. It allow writing multi-line strings using triple quotes without escape characters. Improving readability. Why do we use sealed classes? Restrict which classes can extend or implement them using the keyword permits. The subclass must be declared as final so that it cannot be extended further. Improve security and control over inheritance. What is auto-configuration in Spring Boot? Auto-configuration in Spring Boot is a feature that automatically configures application components based on the dependencies present in the class path using conditional configuration. Reducing manual setup. Auto-configuration works using at Spring Boot application. Internally enables at configuration. At enable auto-configuration. At component scan. Conditional annotations like at conditional on class creates a bean only if a specific class is present in the class path. At conditional on missing bean creates a bean only if no similar bean already exists in the Spring context. At conditional on property creates a bean only if a specific property is defined as a required value in application. Properties. These ensure configure only if needed. How does Spring Boot decide which beans to create automatically? Reads POM XML and builds class path. Enables auto configuration. Triggered by its Spring Boot application. It internally includes at enable auto configuration. Loads auto configuration classes. These classes contain predefined bean configurations. Applies conditional annotations. Spring Boot creates a bean only if conditions are satisfied. Then added to Spring Container application context. And ready for dependency injection. How can you exclude or disable a bean in Spring Boot? What is the difference between singleton and prototype beans? Singleton, by default, scope creates only one shared instance per Spring Container, while prototype scope creates a new instance every time the bean is requested. Thread safe singleton, synchronized method. Class singleton. Private static singleton instance. Asterisk static right pointing arrow belongs to the class, not objects. Only one shared reference exists for the entire program. Initially it is null, meaning no object is created yet. Private singleton prevents outside classes from creating objects using new public static synchronized singleton get instance. If instance equals null, instance equals new singleton, closing curly bracket, return instance, closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket. This is a thread-safe lazy singleton implementation where the object is created only when needed and synchronized method ensures only one instance is created even in multi-threaded environments. Yes, in Spring Boot the same singleton object is shared across different clients. Multiple requests use the same bean instance managed by the Spring Container, provided the bean is stateless or properly synchronized to avoid race condition. Each request runs in a separate thread. Same object is reused across threads. A thread is a lightweight sub-process that performs a specific task. A race condition occurs when multiple threads access and modify shared data simultaneously, leading to unpredictable or incorrect results depending on the execution order. What happens when a prototype bean is injected into a singleton bean? When a prototype bean is injected into a singleton bean, Spring creates the prototype bean only once during injection, and the same instance is reused inside the singleton unless explicitly fetched again. How do you preserve prototype behavior when injecting into a singleton bean? To preserve prototype behavior inside a singleton bean, Spring provides Object Factory. Object Provider supports lazy or lookup overrides at runtime method injection to fetch a new prototype instance each time it is required instead of injecting a single instance at startup.